Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we set download wallpaper in Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to set guys your phone download wallpaper. So how can you set today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. First of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting guys. So friends, scroll it and friends, you can see guys your wallpaper guys. Tap here guys, click on this gallery option. Friends, you can see guys your download photos guys. I have here, so I will take this one, and guys I will turn option tap here. Friends, you can see home and lock screen where you want to set your wallpaper. Both of wallpaper guys I want to set. I will click on my home and lock screen both of wallpaper. Apply here and friends come back. Friends, you can see guys your download wallpaper has set it. So like that guys, we can set guys our Samsung phone download wallpaper. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye friends. I hope friends you understood how to set download wallpaper in Samsung phone device.